With the perfect combination of mobility, versatility, and the best results every time, the Festool KSC 60 KAPEX 18V Cordless 216mm slide compound miter saw gives you everything you need plus more in this compact size. The unit is an absolute pleasure to operate with its compact and lightweight design and ergonomic handles. The featured LED spotlight will precisely show your cutting lines with its sharply defined shadow, and you can easily operate the unit left or right-handed with its purposefully designed central switch and grip positioning. The unit is extremely compact due to the flush-mounted guide rods with what Festool describes as limitless mobility. This device makes no compromises in terms of precision and versatility, with a miter angle on both sides of up to 60 degrees. The angle is set using the latch on the base with quick selection of preset miter angles using detents. Any other angle can be freely selected and set. You also get an inclination angle on both sides of up to 46 or 47 degrees, which is set using the easy to access and easy to operate clamp, together with the high precision angle scale. The Festool twin column guide with two bearings ensures that the saw blade is guided reliably and smoothly. You can't tell the difference between the brushless EC Tech motor and dual battery system compared to the corded variant, with enough power to handle any job, with the added bonus of mobility. The variable width pull-out extension table provides secure and precise support even for long workpieces. With the featured cut depth limiter, you can also cut trenches quickly and precisely. Festool have added a dust catcher attachment if you're doing those quick jobs or don't have access to one of Festool's super popular dust extraction units. These units pair up seamlessly using their CleanTech connection system. The Festool KSC 60 KAPEX 18V cordless 216mm slide compound miter saw is the full package with serious power and mobility. You can get one of these for yourself at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.